There's one lady who has come out and has supported her son. She is the mother of the Prime Minister, Hiraben, the mother of Prime Minister Narendra Ben.
તમે અહીંયા જાઓ, તમે વડીલ, તમે બાઈટ આપી દો ને એટલે બધા પતી જશે. તમે અહીં જાઓ. તમે નરેન્દ્રભાઈને જે કર્યું છે એમાં તમે કેવું માનો છો? જવા દો પેલા બાને બહુ હેરાન ના કરતા. બસ તમે બાઈટ આપી, તમે આ બાઈટ ઉભા રહો ને વડીલ. નીકળી જવા દો. બેસાડી દો. હા બેસાડી દો.
માત્ર આનંદ છે. મને તો બહુ આનંદ.
સામાન્ય બેસવા તો દો યાર.
એક મિનિટ. હા ખુરશી આપી દો બસ. રાજલ થોડી થોડી પાછળ
ચાલો બેસવા દો એમને. બેસવા દો.
નીચે બેસી જાવ. કોઈ બાઈક લઈને બસ. બધા બેસી જાઓ. માઇક નીચે રાખો. માઇક નીચે રાખો. બસ ગાડીમાં
ઇન્ટરવ્યુ આપતા તમારે લેવું નહીં. ધીરે
જવા દો નહીં. તમને કેવું લાગ્યું નરેન્દ્રભાઈ?
વિડીયો વાળા કેવો પાછળ
છોડ દો પૈસા. જવા દો બાને. કરું ગાડી બેસી જજો. વાંધો નહીં. ભાઈ એક મિનિટ.
So a mad rush there by journalists just to try and get a few words from the Prime Minister's mother, Hiraben, who visited the bank to exchange currency notes a short while back and also setting an example. Let's just try and listen into what she's saying.
આમ નાગરિકની જેમ આપવાને અહીંયા આગળ લેશો.
પોલીસ દ્વારા જાઓ. પોલીસ દ્વારા ખાઓ. ઓ મેડમ આ બાજુ રાખો. ઓ બેન હવે બંધ.
તમે કહેજો કે
બંધ તો કરો.
મયુર માઇક લઈ લે. મયુર માઇક લઈ લે.
Okay, let's go straight now to India Today's Brijesh Pandey for more on this. Brijesh, the Prime Minister's mother's indomitable spirit is indeed all of us need to be envious of. People have been standing in lines, and here's this lady who's 95 years old and has mustered up the courage to go to a bank and get cash.
Well, I think, these visuals have sent a very strong message, because a lot of complaints and all have been coming out because of the mismanagement and the way, people had to stay in queue, stand in queue for hours. This particular message in which the mother of the Prime Minister, who, had all resources at her disposal, if she wanted, her getting out and going and standing in the queue has sent a very powerful message to every common citizen that, that you are not alone. Even the Prime Minister of the mother is with you, and she is also like any normal citizen, ordinary citizen. She is also standing in the queue and getting out. So these visuals have indeed sent a very powerful message across, and must have come as a very, a booster as far as the BJP is concerned.
Absolutely. Just stay with me, Brijesh. We're just getting another reaction. Let's just listen in. I'll just come back to you.
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। एक मिनट, उनकी मदर का क्या सोच थे उनके बेटे के बारे में? क्या वो मैं नहीं जानता। हम पड़ोसी के हर रोज मिलते हैं। बहुत अच्छी माता जी है, बहुत स्वाध्यायी है, बहुत भक्ति वाले हैं और बहुत अच्छे विचारों वाले हैं। आपका नाम बताइए। मेरा नाम ओम प्रकाश है। ओम प्रकाश जी, ठीक है। भारत माता की।
Brijesh, now let's talk about the politics of this bold move of, demonetization. Now, I've been talking to various people from the Congress and the opposition, a united opposition upping the ante and preparing themselves for the winter session to target the government for the kind of inconvenience that has been caused to the public at large.
Well, I think, the government is not at all concerned about the kind of attack which opposition is going to mount on them. But they are far more concerned about the fact that there is a feeling within the party as well as in the government that if this situation persists for another 1 week, then all those, feeling of nationalism will give way to anger and frustration in the common people. And this particular feeling, given the fact that, you are almost on the cusp of a very important Uttar Pradesh election, can actually boomerang for the BJP. And this is something which the party wants to avoid at all costs. So this is the reason why you see, for 2 consecutive days, we have Shaktikant Das issuing out, a host of measures in which the government has taken a host of measures to elevate the suffering of the common man. The government is very, is crucially aware of this particular situation, and they are more than the concerted attack of the opposition. It is this particular scenario which is worrying the government and the other thing.
And they could might face flack for it. The bold decision could just backfire. It could flip if in case the cash flow is not normalized in the next few days. In fact, Brijesh, today as well, people have exhibited a lot of patience and have accommodated themselves, but tempers are rising slowly and the queues are not shortening either.
That's exactly, that is exactly the worrying point for the BJP, because, you can ask people to sustain, or you can ask people to have patience for a limited number of days and hours, but the patience of the common man is not infinite. And, the fact of the matter is that the lower strata of the economy, they are at the receiving end, because, if somebody has to go and stand in the queue for 6 to 7 hours, this means that his day's work has been affected severely. And this is a situation which nobody wants to land in. And BJP is also acutely aware of the fact that once this situation changes or turns, its ire on the party, then it will result in a great degree of catastrophe, as political catastrophe, as far as the UP and Punjab elections are concerned. So this is the reason why you see the government, coming out in completely in support of this particular decision. We have seen, back-to-back press conferences happening, and government trying to make sure that, as many people possible should avail of the benefit which is being rolled out by the government.
Absolutely, Brijesh. Thanks so much for getting us the latest update. We'll have to take a short break, but we'll come back and talk a little bit more about the Prime Minister's mother paying a visit to the bank. Stay tuned.